an equation with a and k in, but in part A we're told what a is. So then it's going to change in part B, we should mention. So this is 3 times a. It's going to be 45. 3 times 15 is 45. You can do that on your calculator if you want to. No worries. 3 times 15, 45. So 45 plus 20 is equal to, and then it's 4 times 15, which is 60. 60 plus k. That could be a good starting point. It's only 1 mark, but this gets you, in a good place. So then I was about to write 70. It's going to be 65 if I add up 45 and 20 equals 60 plus k. So there's now 2 ways to do it. You can either think, what do I add to 60 to give 65? It's going to be 5. Or you can solve it like an equation, a skill which is important as equations get more complicated. You can minus 60 from both sides. These cancel out because if I'm minusing 60 and I got plus 60, I end up with 5 again. Right, I've got a negative for the second question, so it's going to be a similar sort of thing, but it's going to be minus 45 because it's 3 times minus 15. We still get the 45, but now we've got a negative. Plus 20. Okay, that stays as plus 20 equals 4 times minus 15, that's minus 60 plus k. Right, it's got to be a bit more careful this time because I've got these negatives going on. So if I'm at minus 45 and I add 20, I actually go up the number line, it's going to be minus 25 again. All right, you can check it on your calculator if you want. Minus 45 plus 20. But try and learn it without a calculator as well. That's equal to minus 60 plus k. And then you're thinking, what do I add to minus 60 to give minus 25? Well, I'm going up the number line. It's actually going to be 35. I kind of think in this case it probably is easier to solve it like an equation. So add 60 to both sides. These cancel, and then I'm left by doing 60 minus 25, and it's more easy to see that it's 35.